Hi viewers, welcome to Travel the World. Today we are going to see a village in Tamil Nadu, India that's called Puttur. This place is full of greeneries and it has a lot of things to see around. So we visited this place and this is the street of Puttur village. The entrance has been covered with a lot of houses in either side. Uh, Always the street is going to be busy in the daytime till 9 o'clock. We have tiny shops around who is selling chips and other snacks. While we went, we used to see a lot of sheeps who are looking towards us, and we our kids were used to smile while see the sheeps because in our place normally seeing the sheeps is impossible. And this street is quite nice and it has nice houses, and we also have a temple around. This is the greenery we are seeing in the side of the street. Also we see lot of palm trees. The palm trees are very beautiful, and in childhood we used to get many stuffs from palm trees. We even used to make a small kind of chart using the palm tree fruits. This street is very quiet. You can see that nobody is around, and since it is very quiet, we are able to hear the sound of the wind in these palm trees very well. While we see these trees, it takes us to our childhood, and we really mesmerized with the surroundings. While we go there, we used to sit together and chit chat with a lot of our friends, because in childhood we used to spend a lot of hours and hours at the bottom of these trees, and we used to play around. Now all those days are really memorable, but our kids are missing this golden time. In the evening time, it is used to be very fiery, because we used to get scared while we go there. Normally after 6 o'clock, nobody will go towards this area. Since nobody is moving around, it's quite challenging. And this is a tiny tent where they used to make palm jangris. We can see this grandma. She is cutting the palm fruit. Basically, this is good if it is in beginning stage, but this is quite old. So she is cutting to feed it to some animals. These animals used to eat this fruit as the main meal. This is a tiny well, and sheep and other animals used to jump into this, and they used to take bath. This area is very quiet. We can see some water around, like a pond. During rainy season, this area will be normally filled with water, and many kids used to swim in this. But the time we went was almost like beginning of summer. We had also a nice temple. This temple is a place where many people used to sit and perform pujas. We also have a hill in the side of the village. In this hill, we have a temple that's called the Murugan temple. So this Murugan is a son of Lord Shiva, which is worshipped by a lot of Hindu people in India. And this pond is very nice, and it has a lot of lotus flowers and leaves around. Nowadays, seeing the lotus leaves and the lotus flowers are very difficult, because this comes only during the rainy season while the water level comes up. What we are seeing here is a white lotus. This white lotus is very beautiful, and the leaves of lotus are something different than the normal leaf, because as you know, normally water won't stay or stick in the lotus leaf. Here our kid used to collect the water in the lotus leaf, and she used to taste, because she didn't believe that the lotus will not retain the water with it. So she used to play with the water and leave on the hand. So the water used to go left and right like a gel. She used to have fun on it. These are all the village side trees, and one of the most beautiful thing in this area is the peacocks. We used to see a lot of peacocks, say more than 10 were there. Unfortunately, we were not able to catch all of them in the camera, but these peacocks are very nice, especially while we get rainy season. They used to dance with opening the wings. That's quite interesting to see. And when we try to catch this peacock, they used to run around. So we used to walk nicely and quietly to see the peacock. It was almost like 6 p.m. in the evening, so we were reaching about sunset. Because of this, we were not able to spend more time in this area. So we almost thought of leaving from this place. I hope all of you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching our channel.